What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Janae, and welcome back to my channel. So here are a couple pictures of what our original pantry looked like. I know, y'all, it's a hot mess. Don't judge, okay? But that's the bottom of the pantry. So here we have Jonathan. He's about to take the doors off, and Micah obviously is there to help. I'm sorry that I'm having to do a voiceover. It's just we're always listening to music when we're doing stuff around the house. And if I want to get my videos monetized, I can't have that music in there, you know, the whole copywriting thing. So I'm doing a voiceover. But he's already taken out those things. I don't know what they're called exactly. And he's taking the doors off. And in the meantime, I'm like trying to set up the camera and get it all situated. Even though I wanted him to wait. Jonathan does not wait, y'all. He be ready. When he's ready, he is ready to get it going, okay? So, those two doors, those were the original doors on that pantry. I'm trying to think. Was that already there? What was that there for? Y'all, I can't even remember. Yes. It was the original pantry that was right there. I'm sorry, y'all. We've done so many renovations. I can't keep up with what our house originally looked like. So he's taken the doors down to our entertainment room, which we've done nothing with yet. He's trying to figure out the height of that fourth shelf that he's going to be putting in there. He's looking for his tape measure. And then his shadow is right behind him. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and take the stuff out the pantry and get it emptied out. So here we have the pantry is completely empty. The doors are off. So all that is original. We hadn't done the floor in there yet because we didn't know what we wanted to do in the pantry, how we wanted to do it. So he's getting ready to take those out. And then here he's just cutting the shelves and getting them ready. And then I'll link everything down below of all the tools we used and where you can get them from. But that is a new nail gun that he purchased that he loves. So I'll link that down below. So you can see it's coming along. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I know, like, who gets excited about new cleats and shelves, but I am. And if you don't know what the cleats are, they're the things that are holding up the shelves. So those things, that's what the cleats are. I just found that out today. But I have my fourth shelf right there. But yeah, they're done. The shelves are in, the cleats are in, the floor is in. So we're gonna take these small pieces and they're gonna go on top of the front. And I'll show y'all that in a minute.
See, the brand nail gun shoots even smaller nails. Mm-hmm. And you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So, what's next for you? Right. Hey, you want to do one?
Yeah. And in front of the camera this whole.
Glue it.
I know.
Put that down. Put the thing down.
I know. No.
A little bit, little line. Just a little line.
It ain't even coming out. There we go. Oh, it's about to drip.
Start from over here.
Why do you start from the right to left?
Just because I said so. So, go ahead. There you go.
This is hard. There we go.
But usually we use, you know, the Copeland's glue. Just
Yeah.
kind of like the craft glue almost is what.
Oh.
Yeah, use it, but I don't have any, so that'll
We
do.
just using what we got.
Yeah. Alright, so one is done. Alright, that'll work.
No, wait. Can I touch this?
Don't worry about it. Wipe it up after. Let me see something. Yep, just like that.
Is it me? Oh, yeah, it's me.
What we're doing is make sure the top is flush, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So. Alright, you ready for a nail right here for sure.
You just push it?
So, when you don't shoot it yet, when you have to compress it and then pull the trigger. But make sure it's not like that, make sure it's not like that.
Okay.
But let's go ahead and feel this first. All right, I think you're ready for one right here. You know, it's gotta be flush. All right, go ahead.
All right. Go.
Mm-hmm. All right, now move right along and do it.
Do I need to like be careful with my hand or anything?
That's fine, your hand is fine. All right, next. All you need is like 3 more, spaced out. You'll put one in the end. Alright, let's make sure they didn't come out the bottom. Nope, sure didn't. Alright, that looks good.
Ooh, that girl, look
Perfect.
at her. Hey.
Alright. Finger off the trigger. Don't put your finger or pull the trigger yet. Your finger gotta be like this, okay? Then you push like that. You see, push. And when I say push, you push. Don't shoot it yet. Then when I say pull the trigger, you pull the trigger and it does that. Okay? All right, come on. Step over here. Hold it. Don't pull the trigger yet. All right? All right. Hold it with 2 hands. Hold it right here. All right. Now don't pull the trigger yet. Go ahead and push. Now pull the trigger. There you go. Let's do some more. Pull the trigger. Push. I didn't say pull the trigger. Right? Push. Pull the trigger. All right. Good job.
Hey guys, so my husband has painted the pantry and it looks so good. We decided to do all white, and then he also finished the floors like I said before, and he also put baseboard down as well. So it just looks so clean and so nice. I don't know what type of door we want to get yet. We're looking at getting a frosted door. So I think that's what I'm gonna get, but this just looks so clean and so nice, like, y'all. I love it. It's still drying, so once it's done drying, I'll be able to start putting my stuff in and really seeing where everything is gonna go. So this is the door we decided to go with, just a 2
panel door, I think is what it's called. I could have made that up. But this is the gray. We decided to paint it. Super pretty. I will link it down below, but this is it. And this hardware actually is the hardware that matches our front door. If you can see over there. And I forget the brand. I'll link that down below too. But you open it up. Oh, and then this is new trim. I forgot to show you. This is new trim around the door as well. So this is my new pantry. It's somewhat organized, like that second shelf is organized. This third shelf is organized. The stuff in the back, that's actually for Thanksgiving, so just ignore that. And the fourth shelf is organized. And the stuff in the back right there too is also for Thanksgiving. The bottom is not really organized, but there's not that much stuff in there, honestly. And then the top isn't really organized either, but that's done. I got my little labels on there that I made. I put a little, what's the Susan? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't remember what it's actually called, but I put my spices and seasonings on this little tier tray thing. These are just the Sterilite, I think is the brand. I forget, but they literally are at Walmart. They're at the dollar store. They're at the Dollar Tree. They're $1. I just put a fleur-de-lis at the top and then the label. I made these labels. The fleur-de-lis is just like a Google clip art, but it looks really good. I went with these because I wasn't trying to spend a whole lot of money, guys. I couldn't do it. And then I really didn't know exactly how I wanted to do it either, so. It looks good though. I'm super excited. It's clean. I can see everything we have. So yeah. Bae did a great job.